How does myelination affect teen brain speed? Have you ever wondered why teenagers seem to think and react so quickly, yet sometimes struggle with impulse control? The answer lies in a fascinating process called myelination. Myelination is when nerve fibers in the brain get coated with a fatty substance known as myelin. This coating acts like insulation on electrical wires, allowing signals to travel faster and more efficiently between brain cells. During the teenage years, myelination is still developing significantly. This is especially true in areas of the brain that handle complex thinking, decision-making, and emotional control. As myelin builds up, teenagers can process thoughts more quickly. This means they can improve their problem-solving skills and better manage their emotions. One key area affected by myelination is the prefrontal cortex. This part of the brain is responsible for impulse control and planning. Interestingly, it is one of the last areas to fully myelinate. It often does not reach maturity until the early 20s. This ongoing development explains why teens may still act impulsively or struggle with emotional regulation, even as their thinking speed improves. Myelination also makes the brain more specialized and interconnected. While it boosts processing speed, it reduces brain plasticity. This means that forming new connections becomes more challenging. For example, learning a new language is easier in early childhood than during the teenage years. However, this trade-off helps consolidate important skills and supports more efficient brain function. For fathers, understanding myelination during the teenage years is essential. It helps explain why teens may act impulsively or emotionally, despite their growing cognitive abilities. Patience and supportive guidance are important as their brains continue to mature. Encouraging activities that challenge their thinking and decision-making can support healthy brain development. It is also important to remember that full neurological maturity takes time. Myelination during adolescence speeds up brain communication, improving thinking and processing speed. However, the brain is still a work in progress. This ongoing development shapes how teens learn, make decisions, and control impulses. Keeping this in mind can help fathers support their teenagers through this critical stage of growth.